Kajiran ki anglia mamla kata hapneng Meghalaya bat Assam ko ane lai Kynta kenti banya thir hal ka jingmi hori hura ka jingkhang kali ML bat Rung si Assam bat kumju ka jingkhang kali AS Rung si Meghalaya haden ba mi ka jingjian na ka jingya rali ha ka khatkanai tarik matau panai hasilong ka jingrang kolong matakas ngi ha koi na dhara state guest house ko hati Assam kebrami kemat dau sembut jang ba ka jela Meghalaya ba sewa halang dhar ban Assam mami kemat dau menteri sokar atur bora haden bria thil ha kejinyalang la shimi ra yakirai khasa tuli ge bagan thup ka benengkong ka Meghalaya ka penpau ge jing susi jur hal ge jingjia khaskanai tarik noi la ja phunreu hasilong bat ka pentikna ban sim kam teng ya ge bedon keti ke baal ke milaingut kino yalam ke SU balapan ngat ha ka Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Act ke balai la register khasan tli ke jahal hal ge jingjia basau la Ithuh sangut ki badeng bula ne ka dur khmat ki ban kti ban hetma ki kali bat pen syo ya ki breu kebasan la thau ya ka special investigation team ne SIT ban wat ya ki ban kti ha ka te jingji ke bahan reu la pentikna ban a ya ka yai ke yang ke basinga ji kali Assam bat palat lai Hajar nyau spa nyau pau la yarap ban mi na Meghalaya si Assam bat ke bahinyau ke Assam control room ga yo priang san pusau tuli gi phun ko na chispa nyup san ngot ki breu ki brayarap ban penpoi si Assam kat ban Meghalaya la yo priang lai spa nyup kendai tuli gi phun ko ki papan jing arap ke bapra kumba san spa tuli kali badon si Meghalaya ge Rung si Assam lembak jing arap ki borsokar ke bakandai on pendep ya ke jing perkenria gi breu hapo sopu pra kenta ki basakut ke basipau la thau ya ka hotline ban ya lang ki bol pulit na Assam bat Meghalaya ha ka jingpet UIG special branch ka Assam baru IG law and order Meghalaya ka bakatway on don ka permanent district level joint committee ha pedeng deputy commissioner nongpo bat deputy commissioner Kamrup metropolitan ka bakat ar kan don ka joint committee on tourist transport ha pedeng commissioner and secretary level transport kini kijela rengkat kinong mi khmat nagi steng kali kamai tourist ka Azam bat Meghalaya ka bakat lai ban penia ya gibreu klem jingthut ha ka bak sokal Assam bat ka sokal Meghalaya kin simi klat krenti halo kani kentup kayai kayeng kibana barak bali sia Meghalaya bat ka bakasan ka sokal Meghalaya bat ka sokal Assam kin sim jikit kli ban a kijing singa jiki kali kibayai na Assam sia Meghalaya bat ki basa ru kumju
dunia perjogi menengkong na budaya baru di alam kecil besar di dunia baru kecil besar di Assam kecil besar di Meghalaya bersama kecil kiai isu nama baru ini don ini kecil bah bangsa tenar atau dunia apa sih berada negara kecil kiai pun sorkar nama bah min so kuat min sulah penting begitu jenis positif sofar kampan berguna kabang berguna di kan ni juga nilai mana bisnis dekat dengan chief secretary bagi principal secretary home bagi komisaris secretary governor don nak berkini di bangsa hadin lain kita kita ini apa bagi kan di bumi bagi government of Assam government punya dapat kau supplement bah apa pun kajian kalau kita selesai Kau idol kat tu bani bumi hanya besar hanya yang tu di situ dengan pembangunan yang berserta ini. Dan kat tu bani kecil yang itu dengan itu ini, dan kat tu bani dengan dengan kemudi tu berapa ti. Dan bar kat tu bani dengan sampai pembangunan ham. Ayu, nak lihat di sosial media lah. Ban kedua itu berarti ini sorkar mamba. Min persiang ini ban rakyat yang suka kumpujuan. Kalau isong tu kelak pendon jadi mungkin katu banyak orang nilai sanksi yang dari isong tu bergini kita juga continue kan semsutom manu kabang manu kadi ada kokni nama manu problem ini. Dan hadir juga discussion untuk mulai kita pada government official from Assam dan government official from state kami bila positif itu berapa min persang negara sorkar min mungkin nok namali sakmat besok berjaya ini Singapore berada. Kalau ibu ingin question bahawa bila ini bah ingin boleh itu dia tu ruang dari polis juga tu perlu tahu idang under process, under the job, na mo ilug-ilug itu juga ikaw na galing na percent na nagaling ng pulis. Galing pa ang activity. Di siya isang tuig, doon di bilang kita pundok minimum step, balay piyo, bang medyo, minimum bang sa so, naming sa drama galing ko na some very positive na positive discussion. Tuwing nagtiba, kaya baroi pinag-ubing niya. Naburo ka sa pa. Jadi kung ka state yung magkundo niya barok i-ibig malang tawin long ipajajay, hindi na long kasakit, galo-galo isu hindi laman naman sa sokama. Kasi kang kapli na ni Sikma. I-culture ng galo-galo ba doon bang sahun ko hindi once a month ago may hindi ka lang hagrin kung isu daw ka lang. Ganyan hindi ka yung siya minggu sudah kali. Aku mungkin more or less kalau try, keken belum kemudian twin hari cekat mengentai kalau menormasikan mau kumujuloi ayat kebangkan semua. A joint meeting between the governments of Meghalaya and government of Assam was held today at the second Nekos at Konenara State Guest House to deliberate upon developments following the incidents in Shillong on 19 August 2026. The meeting was led by the Honorable Deputy Minister from Meghalaya-Assam and the Honorable Minister's Government of Assam Sri Ithuh and was attended by the senior officer of both state governments. After detailed deliberations lasting more than 3 hours, and the meeting arrived at the following major decisions. 1. Yes, government of Meghalaya has sincerely regretted the unfortunate incidents of 19 August 2026 in Shillong and are sure to take strong actions against those who are involved. Arrest of the key issue leaders. The government of Meghalaya apprised the meeting that the President, the Vice President, and the General Secretary of the Khasi Student Union have been arrested by invoking the Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order Acts. 3. FIR registered. The government of Meghalaya informed that 15 FIR have been registered so far in connection with the incidents of 19 August 2026. Identifications of the miscreants. 5 marks person have so far been identified as being involved in the incidents of 19 August 2026, particularly in the attacks on the Assam registered vehicle. Constitution of the Special Investigation Team. The government of Meghalaya informed that a special investigation team has been constituted to identify all the miscreants involved in the violence in Shillong, particularly those responsible for the attacks on Assam registered vehicle, and to ensure that prosecutions in accordance with the law. Self-movement of Assam registered vehicles. More than 3,720 Assam registered vehicles have already been safely escorted out of Meghalaya into Assam so far. Distress call and evacuations. The Assam Control Room has received 54 distress calls involving 175 persons who are being assisted in evacuations, and these include 22 private vehicles and 5 tourist vehicles. And the government of Meghalaya informed that its control room has received 379 distress calls so far, and steps taken to assist them for their safe transit. And movement of stranded vehicles. Most of the stranded travelers and vehicles, including approximately 400 to 500 vehicles that were earlier held on in Meghalaya, have successfully crossed key transit corridor, including Ithuh lake sections, and completions of evacuations within 48 hours. Any passenger or vehicle yet to be transferred to Assam will be safely escorted and transferred within the next 48 hours. A dedicated exercise will be undertaken to ensure that every tourist or vehicles wishing to return to Assam is facilitated and safely escorted. Dedicated coordination by establishing hotline. It was agreed to establish a dedicated coordination mechanism between the IG Special Branch Assam and the IG Law and Order Meghalaya, along with dedicated helplines. An online support forum will also be activated to assist in locating and facilitating standard individuals. WhatsApp number is 9 plus 91 8101488 and landline number is 0361 2381 511. This mechanism shall remain operational until the situation is fully normalized. Permanent district level joint committees and permanent district level joint committee will be constituted comprising the Deputy Commissioners Nongpop and Deputy Commissioner Kamru Metropolitans along with the police officer of the corresponding level from both districts, and to ensure that day-to-day issues arising along the interstate border are resolved promptly. It is, very well has been done by the ministry, so I'm very thankful to our police team, and we have acted very promptly, and even the involved leader has been arrested. And also today, after the third bed discussion, so we have formed a special investigative team, so to identify all the mistakes who are involved in this incident.
Well, I have
What police has arrested? Who's leader? Who told you that action? Our government is very prompt action. The same hour, not even after the incident, immediately, I think within 2 hours, we have arrested them.
and why was
And we'll be able to know after when the SIT's reports were.
so now the most
Thing to bring normalcy, you know very well, and it's my request personally. Both Assam and Meghalaya, we are like a brother and sister. Especially the two cities, the two states, we are living like brother and sister. Yes, maybe there is some lapses, there is some here and there, but whatever may be, our duty as a government, we work very hard and we work very unitedly under the advice of both the chief minister. And that is the purpose of this meeting, to bring normalcy. So we request you also, and I request the people of Meghalaya and people of Assam, let us be cool and calm, so that normalcy will return back in few hours. Transport. A joint committee comprising the Commission and Secretary level transport authorities of both the states, along with the representative of the tourist vehicle associations, will be constituted to facilitate and regulate tourist transport movement and safeguard the shared tourism interests of Assam and Meghalaya state. Safe transit through both states. The government of Assam and Meghalaya will take all necessary measures to ensure safe and secure transit arrangement for vehicles traveling from the southern part of Assam to other part of Assam, including movement from the Barak Valley through Meghalaya, and similarly, necessary arrangement will be made for people traveling from Meghalaya to other part of Meghalaya through Assam. Responsibility for safety and security of tourists and vehicles. The government of Meghalaya reiterated that the state government shall take responsibility for the safety and security of all tourists and vehicles traveling from Assam and other part of the country into Meghalaya during their stay and movement within the state of Meghalaya.
so sir, one
as per direction of the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, I attended an important meeting with Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Mr. S. Hajar and with the senior officials, including Chief Secretary and senior officials with the government of Meghalaya. And our Chief Secretary Assam, Dr. Ithuh, and other senior officials were also present in the meeting. So we had a long and threadbare discussion, good discussion, and 3 hours discussion. We have taken some resolutions, and with the consent of the both Honorable Chief Ministers, Assam and Meghalaya, we have already issued a joint press release. I would like to offer both the Chief Ministers, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma for his prompt action, and I would like to offer my thanks to Conrad Changmaji for his willingness to resolve the issue soon. He has already read out the press statement in English. Assamese press people are also here. So, my Ohomiyata come niki.
Has assigned this thing to our chief secretary. He will examine the matter. We will compensate as per law. And for the people who are those injured, we will contribute to the government. Today after I have read even the joint statement after the decision meeting on the outcome today. Hopefully I think in a very short time, so under the advice of the Chief Minister and all our officials from both government, I think normalcy should return back very soon. I'm very confident in you all and both people of the state, so I think there will be no more contracts or controversies. Let us hope for the positive. I request. Yeah. So if necessary, anytime you may meet me and sir, and maybe both the Chief Minister, we are coordinating everyone in order to maintain the normalcy of both the states.
And this has
Incident to one to the other incident, and this incident is different. We take very seriously about this incident. That's why we came from Slough. So today we had got a very good meeting, very positive meeting. So hopefully it shouldn't happen anymore.
I have a last question. The demand of the KSU, Khasi Student Union.
Doesn't mean the matter accordingly.